We've brought more than 9 different aircraft to the world, fully certified flying for each of our experts. They have between 25 and 30 years of experience, and we represent a full, life cycle view on aircraft, so everything from design concept to in service the whole way through. And we still have people in our team that are able to offer those services to the world and to innovators like ZeroAvia. For us, the business of aviation is really bringing people together, moving people forward. And I really think that unlocking zero-emission flight is going to allow our industry to do that in a sustainable way, and is something that we're very proud to be part of. I think regional aviation is poised to be the early adopters of this innovation and will help it to bring it to the market fully. What's important is that we're working towards a greener future. As other, players in the transportation field start to adopt these technologies too, we're going to get there sooner. Industrialization and the scalability of hydrogen, not just in aviation, but in other parts of transportation, we're going to be able to leverage off of each other to make it a reality sooner than I think people think. So our collaboration is going to begin with the Part 33 engine certification side, ensuring that we help to support ZeroAvia with the correct sizing and looking at how then it's going to be introduced onto different regional aircraft sizing. And so ZeroAvia will have access to our full DAO of engineers, as well as our aero advisory services, which we'll be supporting in the market side. The challenges are very achievable with the full partnership that's being put together on all of these platforms, and each of us will play a part in, de-risking and making those challenges just ticks on a sheet that we go through as we go through the certification.